Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to review the Ozone Ayurvedics Dtan Cleanser. So let's open it. So this is the box. Let's open it. Okay, now that's the product. It looks so premium. This is the closer look of the product. The method of use also mentioned here and the ingredients also. Read this before applying in your face because it is really important. So remember it, guys. The expired date is also mentioned here. Let's try this. As this says, you have to first wet your face and put the cleanser all over your face with fingers. So this is the product which I'm focusing. Okay, this is so creamy. The smell is like lemon, so it's really nice actually. So I'm gonna apply this all over my face with fingers in a circular motion. First I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks and nose, then I'm applying it on my forehead and massaging my face for like 5 minutes for great results. This is how the face looks like after applying. So you have to wait 10 minutes, then wash your face with water. So let's wash my face after 10 minutes. So this is the final results. It makes my skin so smooth and tighten up. I really like this product. Guys, check out the description for more information of this product. Bye. Also guys, this unlocks your pores, remove your tan and makes your skin smooth and make your skin better. So check out the description. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video with your friends. Okay, bye guys, have a nice day. Bye.